morning, greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Tina here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. I don't even know what day it is today, but right now I'm packaging a couple things. I'm actually going to make a drop off to the post office because I couldn't schedule one last night, but I'm already going to go out to the bank anyway, which is right next door. I'm just going to go to the drop off in the back, so I don't actually have to touch anything because they just have bins there and I can just drop it off inside the bin. So that is perfect, and then head back home. So that's the plan for right now. So let's get to packaging and then I'll see you guys in a little bit. Also, if you guys haven't seen what's it called, the balcony makeover that I did for mom and dad, go check it out because it was such a fun video to make and it was a great video to edit. I spent hours editing it, so go check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below if you guys already saw it or if you're gonna go see it right now after this video. But yeah, it was really fun and I can't wait to do another project. So comment down below also what room you guys think I should do next. Hey guys, we are in the kitchen now. We're deciding what we're gonna make, and I think we decided on making some breakfast quesadillas. Mom's right there.
Because we have to.
Say hi, kids.
What
are you guys doing? You're watching YouTube. Oops, sorry, Mom. So yeah, that's what we're making this morning. Do you want me to make that coffee, Mom? Or are you already too full of it from last night because you already had some? Okay, so Mom's cooking up the quesadillas, and while she's doing that, I'm gonna make that whipped coffee that's all over the internet, and it's super duper easy. So you take 1 part, what is this called again? Instant coffee. So 1 tablespoon of instant coffee to 1 tablespoon of sugar, and then 1 tablespoon of warm water. Make sure it's hot, or else it's not gonna like incorporate properly. So we're gonna make how many, John? John wants 1, Mom wants 1. Is Dad here? Does he want 1? He's upstairs, right?
Yeah.
And Yasmin's been sleeping, so she can have 1 later because she's not gonna wake up yet. She's a late bird.
Oh, this is the
Okay. So I have my thing right here.
John, got this, John.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 4 things of coffee. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 of sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you can use a blender or a whisk. I'm just gonna use a whisk. This is how it looks like inside. And we're going to whisk it for 3 to 5 minutes. So it's gonna go from looking really dark to looking really light. Okay, so then you fill it up with ice and milk of your choice, and then just put the topping in. And here we go, so delicious. And then my Tiffany's cups too. Okay, these are the sauces the kids want. I'm gonna bring them out. So here's the quesadillas, our different sauces. This is hot sauce, this is barbecue sauce, and that one's ketchup, Eliza.
I can tell which one's which.
So I'm enjoying my iced coffee out here while I'm watching the kids, making sure they don't fall into the pool because they are going crazy. They've been so stir crazy and they've been able to go out like the past few days, and they've just been like trying to spend as much time out here as possible. Alright, I'm heading out now. I'm not gonna bring my camera with me though because we're not gonna really be filming anything. So I'm gonna head out and then come back, and then I don't know exactly what we're gonna do. I think we're gonna make sushi for sure today, and I may or may not cut and dye my parents' hair maybe tomorrow, so I'm not sure. But that's the update for right now. Alright, I changed my mind. I'm taking you guys with me into the car. I was like, I'm not actually going to be walking around anywhere. And when I go to the bank, I'm just going to be using the little touch thing. And I'm going to be wearing gloves. And I'm going to have my disinfectant thing. So I think that should be okay. I just don't want to get my camera, like touch my camera and get it maybe contaminated at all. But I think it'll be okay. But right now, I just got into the car. We're gonna head over to the post office first, and then we'll go to the bank, and then head back to the house. It's such a beautiful day outside too, and it makes me like totally reminisce about on the weekends when I would go thrifting and it would be a beautiful sunshiny day, and I just like cannot wait for those days to come back to us. So I keep saying it like in every video, but again, I cannot stress how important it is right now to just stay at home. Don't go outside unless it's absolutely necessary. And yeah, anyway, let's go. So I'm so crazy. I have my gloves right there. I have my hand sanitizer right here. I have an alcohol spray right there. And then I also have Clorox wipes right here. Alright, just got to the bank, wearing my gloves, and I got my Clorox wipe I'm gonna bring with me too, so let's go. Just got to the post office. This is actually a really good spot to drop off your stuff at if you can, if you're allowed to go into the back, because you don't have to like come into contact with really anyone. You just drop them off in those giant metal bins and go on your way. Alright, so right now you guys, we are going to dye mom and dad's hair. I'm gonna dye mom's hair first, and I used the Argan Oil hair color. This is from Sally's. And yeah. I'm just mixing it all up. This is the color that mom uses. It's 3N. I know her hair looks like it has highlights, but it's actually just the color fading towards the end, so I turned this into a lighter brown, which is nice because it gives it a natural ombre that you don't actually have to work to achieve. So we're just going to do the roots, and as the hair grows out, it just naturally gets a little bit lighter over time. And yeah, so to do mom's roots all over her head, I used 1 ounce of dye, which is how much I had left in here, and you mix it 1 part by 2 part with the developer. Mom has grays and their resistance, so I use a level 30 developer. So since we have 1 ounce of dye, we're gonna put 2 ounces of developer, and we're just gonna mix that up. And I know Sally's is closed, that's where I got this, but they are still open online, but I believe everything is taking a little bit longer to deliver. Nice. Welcome to Hadrian's Quarantine Hair Salon. Okay, so we're just sectioning mom's hair off really quick.
So white already.
She's already turning snow white.
Yes.
Mom's hair is developing. She's killing 2 birds with 1 stone and getting dinner together. So she has her meatballs that she made from last week that she froze. She's putting that in her tomato sauce. She's boiling up some pasta right there, and there's dinner. Then after I'm done with dad's hair, I'm going to make sushi.
So tonight.
So we're gonna have Italian and Japanese fusion. Alright, up next, we're gonna cut dad's hair. I am back in my room. I just finished doing dad's hair. Now everything's just processing. The camera died halfway through everything, and I totally forgot that I was even filming. So I apologize for that. But right now I'm just gonna take a little break. My back always hurts when I'm cutting hair because I don't have like the right chair, so I'm always like bending over like that. But it's okay. I'm gonna wait a little bit because Mom actually we made the rice. She what did she do? She like prepared the rice for me while I was cutting and dyeing Dad's hair. So usually like when we make sushi, we cook it in the rice cooker and then we take it out once it's done, and then we can mix in sugar and rice vinegar into it, and then mix it all up, and then we just let it cool down to room temperature, and then once it's cool, then I can start making the sushi. So Mom literally just like made the mixture, so it's still warm. I'll give it about like an hour to cool down, because if you make the sushi when it's hot, with the rice, when it touches the seaweed wrapper, it makes the seaweed wrapper shrink, and that's not good. So I'm just waiting for it to cool down. Then I'm gonna start making sushi, and I cannot wait because I have been craving sushi like no other. So luckily we had the ingredients to make everything, and I was able to buy carrots and cucumber the other day when I went to Walmart. So that is perfect. But yeah, that's the update for now. See you guys in a little bit once I start making the sushi. But right now, I'm just gonna like relax, watch some YouTube videos, and maybe edit a little bit. So we'll see. Alright, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, I got all my stuff here, ready to make sushi now. These are the 4 sushis left after I made them. I didn't get to film them because I was making sushi. And I just finished. And there's only 4 left. How was it, John?
Full of vegetables.
Those are just the vegetarian ones. Hey guys, so finished with dinner. I am just cleaning everything up now. And getting the kids back inside. They were just playing outside, literally, like after dinner. They just went straight outside. These are just extra veggies. You can use these for an omelet or a salad for later on. So this is what I put in the sushi. QP mayonnaise. It's so delicious, and also this is so good on sandwiches. So if you ever see that, they sell it at Walmart, which is fantastic. So if you guys ever see that at the store, try it. It's so good. I have a container here for the leftover spaghetti that Mom made. I'll just spoon that in. And it all just fit in here perfectly. So I'm excited about that. And let's get this on. I need 2 hands. Off to the fridge we go. Alright, you guys, just ending the video here. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with us today. It was a very event-filled day. Lots of stuff. Man, but if you guys haven't checked out my surprise balcony makeover that I did for my parents, I'm gonna have links. You guys can check it out. That I worked so hard on that video and I edited it for so long. So go check it out. Let me know if you guys liked it. I'm gonna be doing some more of those around the house as well. And I have 1 really big island and 1 tiny island. So if you guys had fun today, thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. Okay, so